Alright, what's going on, guys? Let's see. Alright. What's up? This is our 2021 Score Football Retail One Box Break. Alright. There we go. Alright. Here's the owners list. We do have some teams for sale. So we have the Cardinals. Let that focus. There we go. So we got the Cardinals, the Falcons, the Ravens, the Bills, the Panthers, the Lions, Texans, the Colts, the Saints, the Giants, the Raiders, the Seahawks, the Titans, and Washington football team. This is our sealed box of Score. We'll get this open and get the packs out. Anyone in here? How you doing today? Get these opened up. Oof. All right. Box. Alright, I'm gonna get the packs opened up. If anyone would like some teams, you have until all my packs are opened up, or all the packs are opened up, and then we'll get started here. Goes right there. What's up, Paul? How you doing today? It's good to see you back in here. Alright, last pack. That's good, that's good. Start the brand new week. Let this be a good week. Alright. I'm gonna go grab some more top loaders and then I'm gonna get started, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get started here. Last call. Show the owners this one more time if anyone's just tuning in for the teams that we do have. Alright. The Cardinals, the Falcons, the Ravens, the Bills, the Panthers, the Lions, the Texans, the Colts. Have New Orleans, the Giants, the Raiders, the Seahawks, the Titans, and the Washington football team. Could throw a deal on these if anyone would like them. If not, then I will be getting started. Give it another few seconds. Alright, guys, let me get started. Alright, starting off, we got a Sam Darnold. Got a Rob Gronkowski, Jalen Hurts, Adam Thielen. Got a DeAndre Swift, Todd Gurley, Harrison Smith, Gameface Von Miller, Carlos Bertram. Got a Jalen Waddle scorecard. Let's leave that one up. Got a score team Tua. Got a Troy Polamalu, John Randall, Josh Jacobs. Got a Trey Lance. Got a Sean Wade, Shai Smith, Marshawn Lattimore, Jordan Hicks, Jameis Winston, got a Jonathan Taylor, Devontae Adams score team red. Got a Game Face, Myles Garrett, Alvin Kamara scorecard. Got Alvin Kamara. So for these, I'll roll a dice at the end to see what gets these. So I'm gonna put this one right there. Got a Game Face Ray Lewis, Jamar Chase scorecard. Got another one of these. Oh, and we got a Jonathan Taylor score team. Got a Javon Holland, Michael Carter, Mara St. Brown, Joey Bosa, Vincent Williams. Got a Stephon Diggs, Jason Kelsey, Aaron Rodgers, Michael Vick, got a red Trey McKitty, DeAndre Swift. There we go. Got another Trey Lance on the scorecard. Got two of these. Put them right there. Ooh, got a Zach Wilson. Sam Ellinger. I wish these cards could all be on the right side. Traquan Smith, Tyler Lockett, Dan Marino, Hollywood Brown. Got a Michael Pittman, Julio Jones. Wonder how he's going to do on the Titans. That should be fun. Got a next level Patrick Mahomes. Got a Derrick Henry score team. Ooh, got a Trevor Lawrence. It's our first one. Got a next level stats Justin Jefferson. Got a Kyle Trask, Adam Thielen, Nico Collins, and a Trevon Moehrig. those up. It's a nice Trevor Lawrence card. Got a Zach Smith. Got a Larry Fitzgerald, Shaq Thompson, Bobby Wagner. Got a McCole Hardman, Ray Lewis, Levante David, Roquan Smith, Ben Roethlisberger. Got a red Devontae Smith. Got Tylan Wallace, Justin Jefferson, Tua. Looks like we got a Zach Wilson and a Trevor Lawrence scorecard back to back. Make sure to sleeve these up too. Justin Herbert score team. Got a Ed Reed, Ezekiel Elliott, Patrick Queen, Peyton Manning, Khalil Mack, Randy Moss, Kareem Hunt, Mo Alley Cox, Joe Burrows, and Ray Lewis. Yeah, man. Trevor Lawrence. Got a red Devontae Smith. Paul, are you in the next break? Got a Jeremy Chin. Joe Burrow. Oh, a lot of Devontae Smith in this box. Got a Von Miller, Aaron Donald game face. Raheem Boyd, Dwayne Eskridge, Jabril Cox, Talon Wallace. I think that's a Raven. The next break is Panini Prism, and I do know that the Ravens are opening that one. D-Hop, Austin Hooper, Brian Urlacher, TJ Watt, Adam Thielen. Awesome. Charles Woodson. Got a Kyle Pitts scorecard. Pulled the on campus of him. That was nice. And Panini. Oh. Ben Skrowick. Wait. Skronowick. Probably butchered that. Got a Mac Jones. Kyle Pitts. Got Kyler Murray. Leonard Floyd and a Drew Lock. Let's get these sleeved. Oh. Michael Dickinson. Terry McLaurin, Sony Michel. There we go. Got our first Justin Fields. Are you breaking prisoners? Oh, yeah, Anthony. That's right after this. Got both of these. Oh, no. This one right here. Got a score team. Chase Claypool. Lawrence Taylor. Tyson Campbell. Dylan Moses. Asante Samuel Jr. His dad was a dog. Man was nothing to play around with. Got Carson Wentz, Calais Campbell, Chris Jones, Devin Singletary, Zach Cunningham. Got a Corey Davis. Marquez Vandal Scantling. Got a red Tom Brady. Kalen Hill. Tua, Troy Polamalu, Patrick Mahomes, and a Charles Woodson. Got a Derrick Henry. Got a CeeDee Lamb. Got a Mac Jones. Chaba Hubbard, Seth Williams, Christian Batemore, Jamie Newman. Got a Fred Warner, Charles Woodson, Sterling Shepard, Ed Reed. Go Miami. Got a A.J. Brown, Devontae Adams, Teddy Bridgewater, Deshaun Watson, Cooper Kupp, Javian Hawkins. Got a Jalen Waddle scorecard. Chaba Hubbard, Seth Williams, D-Hop, Raheem Mostert, Alan Lazard, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Tariq Cohen. Hopefully he comes back healthy. Personal experience. I know that ACL injury can be horrific. Got Primetime, Lamar Jackson. Got a Kyle Trask. And Khalil Mack game face. Alright, last little stack here, guys. Got a Josh Allen, Puka Williams, Nico Collins, Von Miller, Richard Sherman, Josh Allen, Fletcher Cox, Tyler Boyd, DeMarcus Lawrence, Jalen Hurts, Harrison Smith, Chase Claypool. Anthony, we're rating Panini Prism draft picks. That one will be right after this one. So I say maybe another 5 minutes, not even. Got a Zach Wilson scorecard. Game face Howie Long. Got another Trevor Lawrence. Tylan Wallace. Kyle Trask. Bradley Chubb and a Marshall Faulk. Awesome. Hopefully I can get you something, man. It's always the plan. It's always the plan. And our last card to sleeve is going to be this Zach Wilson. A friend that is a football player at Yale, and he said that this guy was crazy. All right, so for these teams, for these cards right here, if I could pick them up. All right. All right. Gotta do what you gotta do. All right. So for this, I have a dice here. This is a 1. Anyone asking? So if I roll a 1 or 2, goes to the first team. 3 or 4 goes to the middle. 5 and 6 goes to the last team. Here's my dice. And that is going to be a 6. So all the last teams. So the Steelers, the Broncos, the Rams, the Ravens, the Steelers, the Rams, Steelers, and Green Bay. Gonna have those. Let's go over a quick recap real quick. Got a scorecard. Got a Zach Wilson, Trevor Lawrence, Mac Jones, and Jalen Waddle. Got a Justin Fields and Devontae Smith. Kyle Pitts, Mac Jones. Got a red Devontae Smith, Trevor Lawrence, Zach Wilson, Trey Lance, another Zach Wilson, Trevor Lawrence, Jalen Waddle, and a Trey Lance. Oh, lesson. Okay. All right, guys. That's gonna do it for this break.
That's good?
Yeah. All right, cool. That's gonna do it for this break. We will be back in the next minute or so with Panini draft picks. Anyone not tuning into that next break, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope to see you guys in the next break, and I will see you guys in a little bit.